South Coast Community Services mental health agency. We have a no wrong door policy, outpatient services, at-risk youth. We work in the schools. We work with the county providers as well. My role consists of administrating all the system platforms that we utilize in our agency. So I am in charge of developing and rolling out these platforms to tie into our healthcare systems. We use several different platforms to collect documentation. Intellistack was able to meet all of our needs and eliminate the need to have several different platforms to collect that data. With the innovation that they had, it was a no-brainer for us because we wanted to be able to integrate that data collection with our current EHR. For example, if a client was to fill out an outcome measures tool, they fill it out in their phone and are able to submit it and have that information directly available to a clinician in our EHR system so that they can better serve the client when they see them in their next session. Before our systems, we would have to manually upload any documentation that was collected and sometimes manually transcribe this information. So having Intellistack being able to have that data mapping and have the information readily available in our system is going to not only save a lot of time from our front-end staff, provide access to different services and provide better service to our clients. Artificial intelligence is the future and Streamline is able to provide that. Intellistack is always bringing out new functionality. For example, being able to request appointments and using the AI capabilities to pull data in, have any questions answered, as well as transcribing information automatically so that the client doesn't have to repeat information once again. It's always there. It just makes the client experience a lot better. The system itself is very user-friendly. You don't have to be a data analyst or a scientist to utilize the tools to create the forms. It's user-friendly out of the box. You can get as creative as you want and it makes it just kind of fun in the sense of you can create something out of nothing. You can also upload information using Word documents, PDFs and whatnot, and be able to just build from that. So it makes it really easy. Absolutely recommend Intellistack. I think they are front forward in terms of using the technology, understanding the trends that the industry is going through, especially mental health. We need information readily available and being able to use all the tools that they have at their disposal to help not only the client side, but also internally with our staff, making them feel that they can trust the process and that the data is correct and it's going to be fast and efficient. They're listening to the clients, which is always important. They're very transparent about what's coming down the road.